The time machine. The time machine will show you where people are working, what they're working on, how long they've been working on things, also how efficient they are with their tickets and their hours for the day or week or month or beyond. It's a great tool for dispatch, service managers as well. You could create a dashboard link to display it on the television. It is currently 12:16. I could slide this back to a different time and see what everyone was working on at that time. Everyone can create their own filters. Within here, you could set yourself or set someone else to lunch or away from keyboard, sick or vacation. You could also manually set a location in here and create sub-statuses. See, John's in the office today, but he's at lunch and has been for 11 minutes. Looks like everyone else is also in the office today. Let's see here. We'll go down to Beck. He's in the office. He has a ticket in progress. He's 28 minutes over budget on that ticket, which you can see here, as well as over here under time left. And it'll show the company, what board it's on, the ticket number, and the title of the ticket. You can see the current time in progress. You can see the time left or the total time recorded if there's no budget on the ticket. And you can click on any one of these tickets to see all the notes. You could drill down on any one of these and see the notes and properties and time entries of the ticket. Over on the left-hand side, we see efficiency chips, which shows how efficient people are for the day. I'm actually going to choose a date in 2022, November 28th, because it has all the data points I need to demo. On that date, John worked on 13 tickets and completed 8, whereas Kyle worked on 32 tickets. He completed 16. He recorded 6 hours and 9 minutes of work that day. He had 43 minutes of unavailable time. He had an hour and 8 minutes of available time. Unavailable is lunch and away from keyboard. Available are all the minutes added up throughout the day where you're not working on a ticket. Recorded 6 hours and 1 minute of technical time, 12 minutes of non-technical time, and it had an hour and 47 minutes of unused time, which is available and unavailable added up. If you drill down on the chip, you see all the same stats, a little bigger, a little clearer. You could choose any employee, choose any date. If you want to see stats for the week or month, you can see so. And you can see all the chips here. And again, I picked the 28th because it has all the different colors on it. When you look at the first, second, and third, there's a lot of green. The more green you see, the more efficient they are. Also, you can see the tickets worked on versus tickets completed, pretty consistent. We get to the 11th and you see a lot of blue. And you could drill down on that chip and see he left early that day. These 3 days didn't work. It was over a holiday. If you switch to graph view, it'll show there was 22 working days in November, 464 tickets worked on, 277 completed. You can see all his durations and averages for the month. Tickets worked on, completed, average lunch, duration. If we go to the working tab, you can see the ticket number, start and end time, and duration worked on the ticket. You can also click on a piece of the pie over here, and it'll show you the same stuff. If you drill down on the ticket, it'll bring up all the notes and properties. If you want to see details, you can see the company, board, contact, and status. Non-working shows all the time at lunch, away from keyboard, or not working on a ticket. Once you complete a ticket, you're considered in between tasks. If 5 minutes goes by, you're considered inactive. If 15 minutes goes by, you're considered missing in action. Time entry tab shows all your time entries. You can click on a piece of the pie over here. You can click on any one of these. You could see the details or hide them. Also, you can see what companies were worked on. See all the hours for each company. If I click on one of these, it'll pull up all the notes and time entries and tickets. I could also see stats for the month, see how many hours were spent on each customer or quarter. You could also see work types or board types or boards worked off of. And then you could return to live and see what everyone's doing right at that moment.